Hi, 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 hi.
Ready to witness the wildest side of forestry? Ever seen a machine wrestle a tree like a pro? Hold tight, because what you're about to see is going to blow your mind. These engineering beasts don't just cut trees, they conquer them. Let's dive into the action. Whoa! Did you see that guy way up there? He's hanging from a rope, going head-to-head with that massive tree like it's a wild bull. You've got to have nerves of steel to do this. I'm sweating just watching. Drop a one if you'd even dare to try this crazy stunt. That tree trunk looked like it weighed 5,000 pounds, and this pro handled it like a champ. Incredible. But honestly, no helmet? Yikes. What do you think? Is this risky business or just pure skill? Whoa! That was absolutely insane! That tree trunk must have weighed over 5,000 pounds. And the way they controlled it, pure mastery. Talk about precision and strength. Every move was flawless. They nailed it, no question. Simply mind-blowing. Now, this Nisula 555C harvester head is a game-changer in the forestry world. Paired with the Volvo 145 excavator and Flex 14 undercarriage, it's a beast. Perfect for thinning and final felling. Can you imagine driving this on rough terrain? Wow, that's some serious power. Drop a comment and tell us, would you trust this monster in the toughest conditions? Wow, this guy's skills are off the charts. But seriously, no helmet, no gloves, nothing? He's walking a tightrope with danger. One wrong move, and it's game over. What do you think? Bold or just plain reckless? Let us know in the comments. Talk about raw power. This Cat D6RXL with a KG blade is reducing stumps to splinters. It's like watching a wrecking ball in action. Operating something like this isn't for the faint-hearted. This requires skill, training, and pure muscle. Can you feel the ground shake? Incredible, right? How many of you would want to take this beast for a spin? Hit that like if you're impressed. Now, here's something you don't see every day. This UAZ driver is pushing it to the limit, hoping that car ahead doesn't slow down. One wrong move, and it's game over. I'm on the edge of my seat here. Zero room for error. What do you think? Should he go for it, or is he tempting fate? Comment below with your thoughts. Imagine trying to process logs with old nails, bullets, and who knows what else in them. These guys face a major hazard every day. That's why they say, expect the unexpected. You never know what's hiding inside those logs. So, would you risk your sawmill for a log like that? Tell us in the comments. Would you dare tackle it?
Oh yeah. Ting, 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 ting.
Man, these guys have luck on their side. It's like they're defying the odds every single time.
That was almost...
Check out this DIY wood splitter powered by a washing machine engine. Pretty genius, right? But here's the catch. Don't get too close. Those blades are no joke. Definitely a cool homemade project, but it's not without its risks. Ever made something like this? Or maybe had a DIY project go wrong? Share your story below. Brace yourself for the Europe Chipper's EC12, a 9,800 horsepower monster built for the toughest forestry jobs. Powered by a roaring Caterpillar C18 engine, it chews through 250 cubic meters of wood per hour. Its cutting-edge Venturi system ensures top-notch chip quality while keeping dust to a minimum. This isn't just power, it's pure precision and eco-efficiency. Hold on to your hats, folks. This isn't your grandma's skitter. This beast dominates the forest, wrestling trees like a true champion. Pure power in action. This is like a city boy proving his grit, showing off some seriously mad tree chopping skills. Check out this Hitachi Zaxxas 200 excavator. This is one sleek, efficient machine. The ripper tooth attachment is perfect for land clearing and excavation. It's not just about power, it's about smart design and fuel efficiency. What do you think? Would this machine make your job easier or harder? Let us know in the comments. American engineering at its finest. The Peterbilt 359 Classic. This truck is conquering steep inclines like it's no big deal. Roaring to life with unmatched power, it's the backbone of our logging industry. Incredible, right? Think you could handle this beast? Drop a 2 in the comments if you think this truck is a true champion. Now, Here's the Bandit 1990 XP with a 21-inch capacity drum chipper. It's powered by a 300 horsepower engine. No log is too tough for this monster. The dual feed wheels make processing smoother, and it even comes with a remote control for safety. Cool, right? Drop a comment and let us know if you'd want to operate this beast. Looks like the new hire isn't cutting it, literally. Maybe it's time to rethink this decision. Meet the Kronos 144 WDM forestry wagon and 8020L crane combo that laughs at steep slopes and heavy loads. This is a total game changer in tough conditions. This machine can handle whatever you throw at it, whether it's icy roads or muddy slopes. What do you think? Is this the ultimate powerhouse of the forestry world? Let us know below. Drop a 1 if this video blew your mind. Your support ignites our passion to bring you more epic content. Unbelievable! The Portamill PM14 is yours for under $900. A portable sawmill that tackles logs up to 14 inches in diameter with ease. It's simple to assemble, a breeze to use, and delivers impressively accurate cuts. If you've ever dreamed of milling your own lumber, this is your golden ticket to get started. My heart raced as the bridge groaned under the weight. These wooden spans demand constant care to prevent catastrophic failures. One misstep could spell disaster. He's not in danger. He is the danger. Pure adrenaline. The lay 24.8 Fahrenheit tore through dense undergrowth with unexpected agility, its tracks gripping the uneven terrain like a pro. Safely enclosed in the cab, the operator masterfully felled trees and loaded logs with precision. This powerhouse shattered every doubt I had about Chinese engineering. Pure efficiency and strength in action. The Valmet 6200 is an absolute workhorse. Paired with the Moheda MH1214 wheel-drive K50 crane, it's an unstoppable duo. With the 620's robust Sisu diesel engine powering through, and the MOA's four-wheel drive and K50 grapple ensuring stability, this combo dominates tough terrains, even snow and steep slopes. A true beast built for the extremes. Whoa! Did you see that chain snap? That was way too close. Talk about dodging a bullet. Pure luck and nerves of steel right there. This heart-pounding moment could leave even the toughest lumberjack second-guessing. Predicting the tree's fall, guiding it with precision, it's pure skill mixed with sheer nerve. But let's be real, a bit of luck can make all the difference. Scary stuff, right? This guy's luck truly outshined his clumsiness. Talk about a close call. Working in freezing cold with machines like the TF690 skidder takes nerves of steel. When winter sets in, logging becomes a whole new challenge. The cold seeps into your bones, but these operators keep going like it's nothing. Do you think you could brave the cold and take on this job? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Macarala, când încarc, se pricepe foarte bine și are foarte mult curaj. Uitați aici, un pic mai de vale e loc. Trebuie să intre pe dedesubt de el.
Ever wondered how plywood is made? First, logs are harvested and processed into thin veneers. Then, adhesive binds them together in a cross-grain pattern, creating strength and durability. It's a detailed process that requires precision. Have you ever seen plywood made from start to finish? Tell us what you think in the comments. Root ball cutting. Sounds easy, right? Think again. It requires understanding physics, careful planning, and, yes, a little luck. The stakes are high with every cut. Do you have what it takes to cut a root ball? If you think you could handle it, drop a 1 in the comments.
Tak. Dobra praca.
Drop a comment if this video blew your mind. Your support inspires us to keep pushing boundaries. Log transport in New Zealand operates under unique regulations, as outlined in the Land Transport Rule, Vehicle Dimensions and Mass 2016. Unlike Europe or Scandinavia, New Zealand's standards push the limits with stricter rules on length, axle loads, and stability. This calls for cutting-edge equipment and expert skills to tackle the rugged terrain. It's a whole different ballgame, truly a testament to the innovation and resilience behind New Zealand forestry. Check out this insane engineering feat, the Dopstat-DW3060F Rotore Size M Shredder. It's built to handle everything from heavy waste to green debris. With its powerful hydraulic system and quick change drum, it's a true workhorse. Do you think this could handle your toughest jobs? Let us know if you'd want to see it in action. Now, let's talk about teamwork. The human and horse duo working together. No loud engines, no pollution, just smooth, quiet efficiency. This is harmony in nature at its finest. Have you ever worked with animals like this? Or do you prefer the raw power of machines? Share your thoughts in the comments. This John Deere 1270G with the H415 head is designed for ultimate precision. From its intelligent boom control to the rotating cab, this machine can help you get the most out of your workday. It reduces fatigue and boosts productivity. What do you think? Is this the future of forestry? Would you want to operate it? Let us know. Red oak, famous for its density and strength, is no match for this powerhouse log splitter. Its hydraulic system delivers immense pressure, slicing through even the toughest logs effortlessly. Perfectly sized pieces every time, it saves time, energy, and guarantees consistent results, whether you're prepping firewood or crafting a masterpiece. This automated sawmill is the pinnacle of modern lumber processing. With advanced sensors and precision-guided blades, it optimizes every cut for maximum yield and minimal waste. Watch as logs glide seamlessly into the cutting chamber, where computer-controlled blades adapt in real time to each log's unique dimensions. The result? Consistently uniform lumber, efficiency and quality at its finest. This excavator is built for the toughest challenges, effortlessly lifting stumps with massive diameters. These deeply buried roots demand incredible strength to unearth, but this machine proves its unmatched reliability and power, showcasing how advanced machinery amplifies human effort with precision and efficiency. Hey folks, get ready for an epic showdown. Man versus nature, chainsaw versus cedar. It's a clash of skill and strength, and you've got the best seat in the house. This lumberjack is taking on a massive tree. Who will come out on top? Let's find out together. This is definitely the perfect machine for your grandpa. Fast enough to get the job done, yet slow and steady to keep things safe. A truly great piece of equipment, don't you think? The Vermeer WC 2500 XL is a powerhouse with 600 HP from a Tier 4 Final Cummins Q SX15 engine. Its smart crush tech optimizes pressure for max efficiency, while features like a self-adjusting clutch and quick-change knife system ensure minimal downtime. Built for high-volume jobs, it's the perfect blend of power, reliability, and efficiency for serious operations. If these machines and their epic feats left you speechless, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Want to see more jaw-dropping forestry action? Share this with your friends and drop a comment on which machine blew your mind the most. Your support keeps the action coming. Let's do this!